Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So this, if you watched my previous vlog, then you know that the house was a mess after the whole um braiding and just doing a whole lot of momming on that day. So honestly, I was just so tired, so I left everything and went to bed, and I woke up the next morning and started cleaning. So yeah, if you're new on here, welcome. My name is Ada. I am mom of four and I do everything: mom vlog, lifestyle, cleaning, motivation, a little bit of cooking here and there. And yeah, if you would like to join this channel, just go ahead and join us. Okay, click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. So today we are going to be tackling all the mess and cleaning up, and after that I am going to be getting my hair done. So yeah, I do my own hair. I'm going to post that on Instagram. So if we're not friends on Instagram yet, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends. And if you follow me, please let me know you're coming from YouTube so I can follow you back and all. So yeah, I decided to start cleaning because the house was a mess and I haven't gotten my hair done. But after this, I'm going to go ahead and get my own hair done. This is the beauty of being a hairstylist. Sometimes I hate it, sometimes I love it. The fact that I have to be the one to do everybody's hair sometimes can be overwhelming, and the fact, but also remembering that I have three girls plus me, so we have four girls. So four girls that I have to do four people's hair. Yeah, that part kind of like drives me insane sometimes, but also the fact that I know how much I'm saving up by doing our hair, that kind of like, yeah, I'm like, okay, let me just take it as this because that's a lot of money that I'm saving on, for the four of us. So I guess that works. So actually, and sometimes when people tell me like, "Oh, you're so lucky that you're able to do hair, you get to save a lot of money." But truthfully, though, that's the truth. I get to change my hairstyle. I get to do whatever I want to do, especially with the kids. I get to get their hair done even if it's like midnight, or if they have an event the next day. I get to do their hair the night before, so that actually makes it work. I don't have to drag them, pack all of them and drag them out of the house to get their hair done or anything. So that makes it, that kind of like works for me. I just get to do things in my own timing and all of that. So actually that's the only cool part about it. So I guess that works. So yeah, enjoy this video. I'll definitely be seeing you guys towards the end. Make sure you get to the end. I have a surprise for you. Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Still make sure to get to the end, and if you've gotten so far to this part of this video, please leave a comment in the comment section on your favorite part of this cleaning video. And yeah, just leave a comment. Make sure to share this video with your people. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done that already. Yeah, and make sure you finish watching the video. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Yeah, I actually love the fact that the house was clean and everywhere was smelling good. Yeah, it made me feel better, and then I went ahead to get my hair done, which I told you guys I'll be posting on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you're not following me there yet, and you guys will get to see. And I'll try to post more vlogs. Currently I'll try to post more than 2 times a week like I used to, so but that will be more vlogs, so you guys will get to see more vlogs. And I'll try to also do like a live video. I'll bring out one time during the day, or maybe two, like anytime that I'm free during the day, I'll just hop on live on YouTube and just do live, or on Instagram. I also have on Instagram, on yeah, Instagram and Facebook. I also have a Facebook page with the same name, so go ahead and follow me on all those platforms, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.